Welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name's Krista. I'm really glad that you're joining me here today. So today we're going to do something a little different. I had this t-shirt hanging in the closet and I thought, you know what? Let's fix it up. I don't like the high neck and it's so long that I don't like how it fits around the butt. So I'm going to cut off the band across the bottom and I'm going to put 9 to a 9.25 inch cuts up. So they're about 1/4 of an inch wide, 9.25 in length, and I'm going to do that all the way around the whole thing. Once I do that, then I'm going to take some pony beads and I'm going to put one on each of the strands. So I put the pony bead on and then I tie a knot, a double knot, so it doesn't come off. And here's where I decided to cut that neckline open so that it doesn't cut up on my neck. And so I'm just going to continue on putting the beads on. You know, I have some sort of a pattern going on, but whatever you want to do, I think it looks very cool. Then I decided to put some vinyl on the top. Stay Wildflower Child was one that I seen and I thought it would be very cute. So I chose my colors, which was this purple and this deep green, and then I applied it onto the t-shirt and I really like how this turned out. I also cut both sleeves off on the inside of the seam. This would be very cute if you wore a tank top underneath. Go ahead and grab your supplies and make yourself a fun shirt that you can wear all summer long. Why not grab 2 shirts, make one for a friend? I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to join me today as we did this quick and easy little craft. Happy crafting!